Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, we're going to be setting up a vignette in this area. So come on with me, guys. So yes, I am starting out by wiping this area down with the pink stuff. It smells so good, and it's a multi-purpose cleaner, and it's safe for the counter. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by Tablescapes by Candy and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now I do have some co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. So we have Design with Emma, we have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. So as in all collaborations, we do practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, so I found some B items that I thrifted, and guys, everything in my kitchen is B. So why leave this area out? Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy me putting this area together, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I do have to tell you. So the two bees, the big beehive and the smaller one, those were thrifted at the Goodwill. Then we have the bird on that gold stand. Well, the gold candle holder came from the Dollar Tree, but the bird came from Kirkland's. Then we're gonna go over to the big candle the big candle and the candle holder, and both of those came from the Dollar Tree. And the tray that we're using, I believe that was a thrifted item also, and all I did was have to touch it up with some black paint. Also, the fat quarter that I'm using, I folded it over. It is a bee theme on the fabric. And then I went ahead and put this floral arrangement together, all with sunflowers. I'm absolutely loving it. And what's dangling off of that? A bee. Okay, so you know what time it is. We're going to light the candles, both of them, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. I think this area came out really, really beautiful. So I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who hosted in this collaboration for putting this together with me. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.